Now we learn how to change an active voice into a passive voice in present continuous tense. Here I give an example. They are taking coffee. You see that it is in the active voice. So if we want to change this into passive voice, at first we should write coffee, which is the object in the active voice. Now it is changed into subject into the passive voice. Then is being taken. You see the underlined portion, is being taken. Is the be verb which is used with coffee, the subject, and coffee is also third person singular number. So the be verb is used with coffee. Then being. You all know from the previous classes that in present continuous tense, when we want to change into passive voice, a being is added with the be verb. So here the being is used with the be verb is. And after that, taken. Taken is the third form or past participle form of the main verb take. Then by is a preposition or agent, and them is the object here which was subject in active voice. It was they, so they is a pronoun, so they is changed into them in passive voice. So the whole passive voice is coffee is being taken by them. I think you understand. Okay, now I give another example. I am driving a car. It is in the active voice. So if we want to change this into passive voice, we write first a car. A car which is the object in the active voice. Now it is changed into the subject in the passive voice. So a car is subject here. Then is being driven. Is being driven. You see the underlined portion? Is the be verb which is used with a car, third person singular number a car. Then being. You all know that already. A being is used in present continuous tense in the passive voice. So being is here used. And then driven. Driven is the third form of the main verb drive. And then by is an agent. And me is the object here, which is also a pronoun that is changed from I. I is the subject in the active voice. So here in the passive voice, it is changed into me. Pronoun is changed. So the whole passive voice is a car is being driven by me. Okay. And with this, you also see that here is in the negative form, negative sentence, I am not driving a car. It is in the negative sentence and also in the present continuous tense. So if we want to change this negative sentence into passive voice, we first write a car which is the subject here and is not being driven. You see the underlined portion or bold portion, is the be verb, and then the negative form not is used here. After that, being and driven. Driven is the third form of the main verb drive, and then by an agent, and me which is here object and which is changed from I to me. So the whole passive form is a car is not being driven by me. I think you all understand how an active voice is changed into passive voice in present continuous tense. Okay, thank you.